Hello there. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what the law of attraction is. You might have heard from it, or it might be new to you. Either way, it can be confusing sometimes about what it is and why it is so important for your business. So that's why I decided to make a video about it. The law of attraction is a universal law, and it is always at work. If you want to compare it with something, you can compare it with a universal law like gravity. It has always been there, and many people have written about the concept of the law of attraction in one way or another before Esther and Jerry Hicks made it more understandable via Abraham Hicks. They named the concept or the phenomenon the law of attraction and have written many books about it to explain the basics and the details behind it. So, if you have never heard of the law of attraction, I'm going to give you a short explanation about it here in this video. If I were to ask you, who are you when you lose a finger or a toe? Are you still you? Yes, of course you are. Okay, so who are you when you lose your arms or your legs? You are still you, right? Okay, so you are not your flesh and bones. You are not your physical being. Then may I ask you, who are you when you are meditating and when you stop thinking? Who are you without your thoughts? Is it still you that's sitting there meditating? Well, yes, of course, it is still you, the core of your being. So what is left if you are not your thoughts and if you are not your body? Well, we are all vibrational beings. We are non-physical beings in a physical body. We are some sort of vibration, and this vibration alters every time that you feel differently. Like when you are happy or calm or stressed or hopeful, or when you are worried. And according to the law of attraction, like attracts like. And you can attract as well feelings, as you can attract situations or experiences in your life, as you can attract people in your life, as you can attract physical things like money into your life. It is like a radio station. In Belgium, when you tune in to the frequency 100.4 FM, you attract the music of radio station Studio Brussels. And when you tune in to the frequency 103.5 FM, you are receiving the music of Radio Nostalgia. And you don't expect to receive anything else than that. You tune into a frequency and you know what you will be getting. It is the same with yourself. You attract more of what is in tune with the same vibration as you are on that moment. So when you are worried or stressed, you send that vibration out and that energy. Have you never entered a room and you felt a weird vibration, or you felt a negative energy, or you felt that there was an uncomfortable conversation going on? Oh, I'll return later. It were the emotions of the people in that room that were sending out their negative vibrations. And you felt it when you entered the room. So when you feel worried and stressful, you are sending out that specific vibration, and according to the law of attraction, like attracts like, and therefore you will attract more stressful situations in your life, or more stuff to worry about will come your way. When you feel empowered and confident, on the other hand, you will encounter experiences or situations in your life that will reflect just that. If you look around in your life right now, then you see an exact reflection of what you have been manifesting and feeling before. Today is a realization of how you felt before. And I'm always talking about feeling because your emotions and feelings are a translation of your vibration. You can use your emotions as an emotional guidance system. When you feel good emotions like happy, joy, enthusiasm, empowered feelings and inspiration, then you know that you are on track to manifest the things and situations in life that fit your core personal being, and that those situations will make you happy. And if you feel anxious and stressed and worried or disempowered, then you know that you are manifesting the opposite of what your core you wants. You are going in the opposite direction of what your core personality is. Then you know that you are embarking in situations that are not right for you. What you are manifesting right now is a manifestation of the vibrations you were sending out before and the attraction process that has led up to the present moment. So you have to know that you determine your own future and your own destiny. Whatever your situation might be right now, glorious or rather shitty, it has nothing to do with what you can manifest and experience in the future. So if you are worried about money all the time, then I tell you now that you are manifesting more of that. More money trouble and more money worries. A subject is always two subjects. It is the desire of having it, the desire of the existence of it, or the not having it, the lack of it. So you can say, I want to be well, or I want to be sick, or I want to have financial security, or I don't want a shortage of money, or I want a perfect relationship, or I don't want to be alone. And both the desire of something and the feeling of lack of something are two totally different vibrations. And the law of attraction works for both. The law of attraction will either attract what you desire or attract more lack in the area of where you felt you were lacking. So this is where you can block yourself. You might say, oh, I want a successful 7-figure business. That's a desire where you are attracting opportunities, situations, and experiences that will lead up to that 7-figure business. But if you think and believe at the same time that rich people are superficial or that a big company equals a lot of worry or problems, then you are sending out a totally different vibration that might completely block the first vibration. The law of attraction works all the time, just like gravity works all the time. Whether you care to believe in gravity or not, you are being sucked to the globe all day long. So you can either choose to ignore the law of attraction and attract by default. You are attracting anyway, good or bad, intentionally or unintended. Or you can choose to master the law of attraction and to determine your own destiny and attract what you truly want and desire. You can learn to attract with intent. We as humans are complex emotional beings. We have contradictions in our minds the whole time. Doubt is a constant changing of your vibration. Certainly in business, it is difficult to stay aligned and run your business without any worries or insecurities. And that's why I've specialized myself in applying the law of attraction to business. If you want, I've put together an email series to get you started on the law of attraction in business today. You can opt in to this email series for free via this opt-in box below this video or via the link to the website where you can opt in below.